Hi, my name is Walker, and today I'll be showing you how to do your laundry. Laundry is a critical life skill that everyone should know how to do. You might be surprised to hear this, but there are many college kids who do not know how to do their own laundry. Now, there's nothing to be ashamed of because it is incredibly easy to learn. Now, even if you have never done laundry before or you're an experienced laundry professional, it is always important to remember the basics of laundry. First, you're going to need some dirty clothes. You're going to need a washer and dryer, unless, of course, you want to hand wash your clothes. You're also going to need some laundry detergent. And then, if you want, you can use some bleach or fabric softener. I have my dirty clothes right here, so let's head on down to the laundry room and check it out. All right, here we are in the laundry room. Before washing the clothes, there are a couple steps you have to take. First, check the tags on your clothes for any care instructions. These care instructions will tell you which settings to wash the clothes at to ensure that they do not get ruined. Next, you can separate your white clothes from your colors. This is to prevent color leaching from the colors onto the whites. There is a little debate around this topic, but personally, I do not separate the whites from the colors unless I'm going to bleach my white clothes or I'm washing a colored item for the first time. Then, you're going to want to pre-treat any stains with laundry detergent or a stain remover of your choice. After all those steps have been taken, you can begin to put your laundry in the washing machine. Make sure you don't fill it past 3/4 full, otherwise the clothes will not be properly washed. After the washers are full, you can put detergent in the designated areas and choose a setting for how dirty the clothes are and choose a temperature to run the washers at. Now, it's important to remember that cold water not only saves energy, but it can make your clothes last longer as well. Now, after we start the washers, I usually set a timer on my phone so I know when to take the clothes out and don't leave them sitting for too long. Alright, so after the wash is done, you want to promptly transfer the clothes to the dryer. Athletic shorts, masks, and other delicate items do not need to be dried. I also do not dry my jeans to prolong their life. Before starting the dryer, make sure to clear out the lint from the lint catcher. This can be a fire hazard if left in, so it is very important to clear it out. Alright, so now your clothes are done drying. First step is, if you want to be a nice person, clean out that lint catcher for the next person. Then, you can bring your clothes up to your room to fold and put away. You want to do this as soon as possible so you can prevent wrinkling. Since you made it this far, I've got a few more tips for you. Use a hamper for your dirty clothes. The organization makes it much easier and much more efficient to do laundry on laundry day. Second, clothes can be worn more than once. You can save time, money, and the environment by washing your clothes less frequently. A helpful tip for this is to put clothes that you think can be worn again back in the closet. Don't just throw it on the ground or on a chair. Next, you should optimize your laundry loads. Wait until you have enough laundry to do a full load. Lastly, when you're waiting for the washer and dryer to finish, that's the perfect time to get some homework or reading done. Be productive. And that is how you do laundry. Thanks so much for listening, everyone. I hope this video has been helpful or informative in some way, and have a good rest of your day.